Who said jeans and sneakers can't look sophisticated? Because very often, the difference between a very simple outfit and one that looks much more polished has nothing to do with spending more money. It usually has much more to do with the cut, the proportions, the colors, the type of sneakers you choose, and even small decisions that many people overlook. And once you start noticing those details, you realize that jeans and sneakers can look completely different. Today, I'm going to share 10 easy ways to make your jeans and sneakers look much more refined in 2026. Let's start with number 1. Choosing jeans in darker shades or with cleaner finishes, instead of styles that are overly ripped or filled with too many details. Jeans can completely change the way sneakers look, even when the sneakers themselves are exactly the same. Sometimes the difference isn't in the shoes, but in the denim that comes with them. Styles with too many cuts, heavily distressed details, exaggerated worn effects, or too many design elements can make an outfit feel busier and less polished. On the other hand, jeans with a cleaner finish or darker tones usually look more refined because they have a simpler and more balanced appearance. They're also much easier to style. They work with white sneakers, neutral tones, more structured pieces, and different layers without everything competing visually at the same time. There's also something about darker shades that naturally gives a more polished and slightly more refined feeling. And very often, when a jeans and sneakers outfit looks especially good, the secret isn't in the sneakers, it's in the denim. Number 2 is the 3-color rule. It's one of those styling ideas that can completely change the way a jeans and sneakers outfit looks, even when the pieces themselves are very simple. Many times an outfit doesn't feel overwhelming because of the clothes themselves, but because there are too many colors competing at the same time. White sneakers, blue jeans, a black handbag, a green jacket, a statement top, and accessories in different colors can all work individually, but together they can make the eye unsure of where to focus. That's why many people tend to stick to around 3 main tones. Everything looks more balanced and more connected. For example, denim blue, white, and camel, or black, cream, and gray. It doesn't have to be a strict rule all the time, but a cleaner color palette usually makes even the most casual outfits look much more polished. Number 3 is paying attention to the length of your jeans. Sometimes the issue isn't the jeans or the sneakers, it's simply where the pants end. Just a few centimeters can completely change the outcome. When too much fabric gathers over the sneakers, the outfit can start to feel heavier and lose definition. But when the jeans end too high, that can also throw off the visual proportions and make everything look a little off. The balance usually comes from a length that follows the shoe without completely covering it, or leaving too much space. And even though it sounds like a small detail, it can make a huge difference in the final result. Sticking with cleaner sneaker designs can also make a big difference. Sneakers with too many colors, very chunky soles, or too many details can draw all the attention and make the outfit feel more crowded. On the other hand, simpler styles tend to be much easier to style and work with many different aesthetics. Shades like white, cream, black, gray, or softer color combinations usually create a more polished appearance. And when the design is cleaner, the jeans, layers, and the rest of the outfit work better together instead of competing with one another. Keeping your sneakers very clean sounds obvious, but it changes more than most people realize. White sneakers with stains, darkened laces, or yellowing soles can make an entire outfit look less put together. A very simple trick is to use a mix of warm water with a little gentle soap and clean the surface with a soft toothbrush or a microfiber cloth. And another detail many people forget: replacing old shoelaces with new ones can make sneakers look almost brand new again. Adding a more structured layer can completely change the feeling of a jeans and sneakers outfit. When an entire outfit feels too relaxed, it can sometimes start looking a little flat or overly casual. And that's where pieces like a blazer, a trench coat, or a jacket with more structure come in. It doesn't need to be anything stiff or overly formal, just pieces that add a little more shape and definition. Very often they create more visual balance and make jeans and sneakers feel more intentional. They also work especially well with basics because they help everything look more polished without needing too many accessories or too many layers. What you wear on top also changes the result dramatically. Very often, jeans and sneakers can look completely different depending on the piece worn above them. A very basic or overly thin t-shirt can make everything feel more casual, while pieces with a little more structure tend to elevate the outfit significantly. Poplin shirts, lightweight sweaters, good quality knit tops, or pieces with a more tailored cut usually create a more polished appearance. Details like a more defined collar, fabric that holds its shape better, or sleeves with a cleaner drape also help. Because very often, when a jeans and sneakers outfit looks more put together, the difference isn't on the bottom, it's on the top. A handbag can completely change the feeling of an outfit. Many people focus on the jeans or the sneakers and leave the bag until the very end, when in reality, it's often one of the pieces that changes the result the most. Styles that feel overly sporty, have too many zippers, oversized logos, or too many details can make everything look more casual. On the other hand, more structured handbags usually bring cleaner lines and a more polished appearance, especially in shades like black, camel, cream, or dark brown, because they pair with so many different pieces and help everything feel more balanced. Delicate gold accessories work almost like the finishing touch. When an outfit includes jeans and sneakers, it sometimes needs an element that slightly breaks up that overly casual feeling. That's where details like small hoops, delicate chains, thin rings, or simple bracelets come in. They don't draw all the attention, but they help create a more balanced and polished appearance. There's also something about soft gold tones that tends to add a warmer finish and pairs beautifully with colors like white, cream, camel, black, or denim blue. Very often, it isn't one big piece that changes the result, it's those small details that end up tying everything together. And as an extra detail, there's something many people overlook. The tone of your jewelry can also completely change the result. Soft gold tones usually tend to flatter skin with warm undertones more, such as skin with golden, peach, or olive tones. Silver tones, on the other hand, usually work better with cool undertones, skin with pink tones, or more neutral and cooler complexions. And if you're ever unsure, there's a very simple way to notice it. Many people feel that one tone makes their skin look brighter and more refreshed, while another can make the face appear a little duller. Of course, it's not an absolute rule, but when the tone of the jewelry harmonizes with your skin's undertone, everything usually looks more natural and balanced. And finally, focus on proportions. This is probably one of the details that changes a jeans and sneakers outfit the most. Because it's not always about buying new clothes, very often it's about balance. Very wide jeans, an oversized top, and chunky sneakers all at the same time can make the silhouette lose visual definition. A pretty simple rule is to avoid too much volume in every piece at once. Wide jeans, a loose top, and oversized sneakers together can sometimes make everything feel too overwhelming. A more balanced silhouette usually looks much more harmonious and refined. Sometimes just a few adjustments to proportions can completely change the final result. And now a question for you. Which of these tips felt the most useful? And if you have another trick for making jeans and sneakers look more refined, leave it in the comments. I love reading your ideas because I often find really great tips there. Thank you for joining me once again. I love you all so much, and I'll see you very soon in the next video.